Like, subscribe, and share.
Hey guys, it's time to fix dinner, and I'm going to fix one of my family's favorite meals, meatloaf. Haven't made a meatloaf in a long time, so I figured today's a good day. So I'm going to start out by sauteing some onion. I'm going to put some garlic in here. I've got a half cup of onion, and it calls for 6 cloves of garlic. I'm not going to put quite that much garlic. So I'm going to bring that up to temperature and cook it until the onions start to get soft. Alrighty, our onions and garlic are almost soft enough here. We'll then finish up, probably put the rest of the ingredients in here. I will put the recipe down in the description box, so don't worry about trying to figure out how much. I've got my ground beef. That's shredded cheese. We are keto, so pork rinds. Barbecue sauce. This is the sugar-free barbecue sauce. Put a link for that as well in there. We've been using that for a long time, and there's no way that you would know it was keto if you hadn't read the box. Heavy whipping cream. 2 eggs. 2 dogs running around, barking. Okay, I have my seasonings here. I have salt, pepper, paprika, parsley, and oregano. So we'll sprinkle that on there. And our onions and garlic. Smelling garlic cooking is one of my absolute favorite smells in the kitchen. What's yours? Just leave me a comment below, and we'll see how many people like the same smells in the kitchen. So let me get this all mixed up, then we'll get ready and put it in the oven. Alright, everything is nice and mixed up. I have to use my hands because I can just get things mixed up much better hands-on. I've seen a lot of people who just use their spoons and whatnot. It looks pretty, but I can't do that. I've got my meatloaf pan here. I'll show you whenever it gets done, but you leave it out. Stay together. It's got the holes in there, so any grease will drain off. So I've got my oven preheated to 350. So I'm just going to put this in there for about 45 minutes and check it. And then see how much longer that I need to bake it. I'll check it with the thermometer. So we get it the right temperature. And then we'll take it out and have some dinner. Alright. We have got our barbecue meatloaf out. It's reached temperature. So I take my little thermometer out. I did add a little bit of extra barbecue sauce on top of this, just because we like barbecue sauce. And we won't do that. And we'll just have to cool down for a second. Oh yeah. This smells so good. I love barbecue meatloaf. Have you guys ever tried it? If not, you really should. Excellent. Excellent. Like, subscribe, share. If you've ever made this, give me comments. Thanks a bunch. See you guys in the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share.